In this video, I'll show you how to add a webhook endpoint in Stripe. First, sign into your Stripe account. Once you're logged in, click Developers in the left side menu, then select Webhooks. Next, click Add Endpoint. Enter the URL where you want Stripe to send webhook events. Make sure this is the correct endpoint on your website or application that will receive and process the events. After that, click Select Events and choose the events you want Stripe to send, such as successful payments, failed payments, or subscription updates. Once you've selected the events, click Add Endpoint to save your configuration. Now, open the newly created webhook to view its details. Here, you can copy the signing secret, which you'll use to verify that incoming webhook requests are coming from Stripe. Finally, test your webhook by sending a test event and confirm that your application receives and processes it successfully. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to add a webhook endpoint in Stripe. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.